day 2 of Kannur. We woke up and our bus is in the night at 9, but we have requested them to extend our stay till 8 in the evening for half the price of the room tariff, and they were pretty welcoming and adjusting with that, which was a good thing. And we were just too high on food and we slept like really early because early for me is 11. We usually sleep at around 1. Yeah, that is what happened yesterday night. And maybe we'll work on the beach today and eat more good food. So stay tuned. Maybe if you had to rate food on the scale of 0 to 10, how much would you rate this place? Breakfast 8, lunch and dinner 9. And about the rooms and the hospitality? Hospitality 10. Rooms probably a 6.5 to 7. Well said, Rini. So now finally we got ourselves out of the bed and we are heading to the dining space to have our breakfast, which is going to be appam and stew. And I can't wait. Yes. Right now? Right now? We had asked for appam and stew. Yeah? Actually, we don't mind with bread and omelette. I'll just let them. So post breakfast, we went back to the room and got a breeze of the cool AC, and we all slept like a horse. Like a horse? Yes. And then we got it now for lunch. So it seems like we're just eating. So we are heading down now for the last meal in Kannur in this place, Manshore Bay. Waiting for the third person to come out from the washroom, and then we'll head down to have, yeah, it is last. We'll have lunch and then God knows what the plan is, because looks like it's going to rain today. So we don't want to take the risk. Our bus is at 9:50, so most probably we'll just chill here and then head down to the bus stop.